Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are in Birdsucker Lane, and that tractor that you're looking at, that backhoe, had to pull a car out of a pothole. A truck driving down Birdsucker Lane fell into a pothole and got stuck. Now, I'm not sure what is going on, but the government says they have 40 billion dollars to fix these roads in Jamaica. Yet, look at the state of the roads. Now, after they pull the truck out, they use this marl to cover the hole. Now, when it rains, this marl is going to get washed out, and this another vehicle is going to get stuck in this hole. But this is a temporary solution. So this is where the truck got stuck. And of course, the lane was closed. It was blocked by the truck, so it was closed. And luckily, there is a construction site just up the road from here, just at the end of Birdsucker Lane, right when you're going up into Toucan Heights. So the tractor was on site there, and they used a marl from there to cover it up. Now, this road was also recently dug up to connect sewer pipes from the sewer pipes to the main road. I don't know if that contributed to the pothole. I'm not sure, but there's so many potholes in Jamaica. So many. The roads, I think you could say this is the worst you have ever seen the roads in Jamaica. No, the government has $40 billion to fix roads. They have another $3 billion to fix roads from Hurricane Beryl. And they have announced money to fix farm roads, probably $1 billion if it adds up to so much. And then they have $13 billion for the CapEx program, that is to fix 6 main roads. Yet under the CapEx program, I don't know if any road has started. I think just Grange Lane they've started to work on. East King's House Road, the money has been allocated for that project for so many years, yet the project hasn't started. Lady Musgrave Road, it hasn't started. So I really don't know what's going on. If anybody knows what's going on with these road programs, let us know. Because one thing is for certain, the roads need fixing. Even a main road, when you drive on Washington Boulevard, a main road, you have so many potholes. When you drive on Barbican Road, luckily somebody put stone in the road. If you drop into some of these potholes, you're going to need a backhoe or a tractor to pull you out. So guys, let us know what you think about the roads in Jamaica, and tell us about the roads in your neighborhood. Because I can tell you in my neighborhood, the roads are the worst I've ever seen them. This is Barbican Road. I'm going to show you where they have a massive pothole that luckily somebody put some big stones in it so people know it's there. And then another problem is when it rains, you cannot see these potholes. Okay, the pothole is on the right, somewhere out here. There it is on the right. Luckily, somebody put a big stone in it, so you won't get stuck. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.